taking off when you got her committed. All right, again. Good, take off, open your shoulder. Yes, good. Well done. Well done. Good girl. Good girl. Take off. Much better with your body. Much better. Looking at her. Stay looking at her. Good, Joyce. That was a good front cross. Turn, 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 turn. Well done. Joyce, those were two of the nicest front crosses. Really well done. Second one was perfect. Nice connection, Joyce. Good and turn. Good. That was well done. Connected the whole time. Good. Step, turn. Yes. Good. Stand up tall. Stand up tall. Good.
Don't do enough Shyne in veterans. Okay. And that's a lower height.
Good girl.
Good girl, Joyce. Well done. Well done. That was awesome. That was awesome. Good girl. When you're ready to go, stand up. Stand up. Look at her. Good. Send. Go. 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 Good girl. Well done.
I saw her feet.
Yes, you did a nice job. You're doing such a nice job of keeping her motivated. Such a nice job, Joyce.
Thank you.
Yeah, bad girl. Go. Yeah, good. Good. Step. Go. Take off. All the way, all the way, all the way. Go. Good girl.
Good puppy. Go. Good girl.
It was great. Keep your eyes on her. Direct eye contact. And go whenever you're ready.
Beep, beep. Not a beep beep. Go on, babe.
That's an attack. That's an attack. Good.
Moose power
Turn.
activate.
Go. Keep moving. Move, move, move. Turn. I'll just have to put it up on my website. That's all.
I'm excited to be the one videoing this.
Pretty, pretty. Go. I told you to look at it. Go, go, go. Front cross. Look at your. Yes, and go. And go. And go. Good. And reward. Joyce, well done.
Girl, but whatever.
I have the worst language, and I blame it
I
on
know.
being a college professor
Oh, it's the worst.
because I went from being in college myself to listening to college students.
Yeah.
Go, go! Yes, Joyce! And reward. Good. Low hand. Good. Keep moving. Good. Good.
Yes.
Turn and go. Nicely done. Nicely done, Joyce.
Good girl.
Good girl. Let's reward. Well done. Well done. Well done. You look like your family, kiddo.
She just took the water out to show me that she has it.
Moving. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
She didn't even open it.
Hell, man, there was a bowl here.
Well done.
Yay,
Nice
Mooseling!
job, Joyce. That was really good. Really, really good. Well done. So even with the wire up, we want to be really focused on her eyes so we know when we're ready to get rid of it. Okay?
And you know I'm listening to.
I know you are. All right. Really well done. Really
Nice
well
job, puppy. Nice job. Good job.
Done. And I am very happy.